Let's go. Let's play the game. First, I have to be in this one. This is my favorite spot. I have to find. Oh, a good shooter. Okay. Okay. She's a good shooter. Oh, she's here. Oh, no. I have to make escape. No! Bro! Bro's level 10. What? How is bro level 10? I'll just go here and not be angry. I have to shoot here or maybe there. Because she might go there. I don't know. This is a surprise attack. Let's go. Bro, she can't see me. I have to do that. Okay. That's Santa one. She might go there. She might go there.
Ano yung bili yan?
Ha?
Bili yan.
Yung,
Lang.
hindi, pautang.
Ano nakalista dyan?
Nilagay ko na. Oh, she's
Nandiyan,
out of
nakaipit.
ammo. She's out of ammo, I heard. I'm gonna go there. Yes, I heard him there. Let's go. Where are these? Bro, I pretty much cheated. I'm actually gonna try. First, I have to still find the base to grind. I need windows. Oh. Oh! No, I almost had her. No. Bruh. Can I open this? No, I cannot. Okay. I felt like she's on. Oh, fuck. Let's go. Bro, I'm gonna make! I'm so angry, bro. No. Okay. This is the one. This is my point. I smell it. Oh, bro, I lagged, bro. Oh, or it delayed. No! Getting angry, bro. She must be feeling so good. No, bro. Don't wanna see your face, bro. Getting angry. Let's go take a match up to this guy. He's better than me, so don't get angry at me if I lose. Okay. It's definitely Onyx. I don't like construction since. Bro, this is my most less favorite one. Bro, I swear. Don't scare me like this.
Anong nakikita ko sa online?
Hindi pa nga.
Tingnan mo muna.
Lang. Naulog na ako.
sa akin nakita eh.